I'm from Italy.
Française, French.
I'm from Germany.
I'm Ilmar from Spain.
I'm Mikey, I'm from Britain.
Egyptian food is more spicy than French.
There's flavour in Egyptian food, which is nice. It's a good change.
Rice, onions, and crispy bread.
Tomato paste of some sort?
Fatta.
That's right. That's what I guessed.
Must be kofta.
Kofta. Kebab.
Kofta.
In France, we have the same, but we call it viande hachée. It's kofta.
I would definitely eat this dish again. It's delicious.
Thank you.
What is this?
أنا مش عارفة.
So good. Okay.
Like spicy peppers, onions, and like beef sausage.
Has just a little bit spicy, but it's nice.
Oh, malahia with the rice. Malahia with rice.
Oh wow, it's slimy.
I will try.
Molokhia.
It's the messiest thing I've eaten in Egypt, definitely.
I think this is the most famous plate in Egypt.
Yes, sure, for a sweet.
It's like a rice pudding.
Laban? Rose laban?
Rose bulaba.
Rose laban.
It's very good.
Basically, it's just the rice and the milk, and then this has lots of extra flavours in it. Yeah. I think it's slightly sweetened, but that's it.